The 1972 Citroën SMA Proto Michelin stands as one of the most extraordinary prototypes in automotive history, blending avant-garde French engineering with Italian performance precision. This unique car emerged from a collaboration between Citroën and Michelin, two giants in their respective industries. Its purpose was to explore the limits of front-wheel drive power and refine high-speed performance. The prototype was based on the Citroën SM, a luxury grand tourer produced between 1970 and 1975. Citroën owned Maserati at the time, which allowed the SM to utilize Maserati's high-performance engines. While the production SM featured 2.7 liters and later 3.0 liters V6 engines producing up to 180 horsepower, the Proto Michelin went much further. It was equipped with a heavily modified version of Maserati's Merak SS 3.0 liters V6, enhanced to deliver 300 horsepower. This power upgrade was achieved through adjustments such as new camshafts, triple Weber carburetors, redesigned intake manifolds, and an optimized exhaust system. This advanced setup pushed the Proto Michelin to a remarkable top speed of 285 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest front-wheel drive car of its time. The car's aerodynamics were revolutionary, with a drag coefficient of just 0.26 coefficient of drag. To achieve this, Citroën designed a special shortened wheelbase body with a unique bread van silhouette, featuring widened rear arches and adaptive headlights. The body was lighter than the production SM, weighing approximately 800 kilograms at the front and 464 kilograms at the rear, compared to the standard car's 900 kilograms and 550 kilograms respectively. The suspension, still hydraulic, was adapted for greater precision and full height adjustability, enabling optimal weight distribution at high speeds. Inside, the Proto Michelin retained the luxurious touches of the SM, including velvet seats, but added racing harnesses and a dashboard outfitted with extensive measurement instruments. The interior balance highlighted the dual purpose of the car, high-speed testing and showcasing advanced technology. Built for rigorous testing, the Proto Michelin was primarily used on Michelin's test tracks to evaluate tire performance and mechanical limits. It influenced future Citroën innovations in suspension and drivetrain technology. Remarkably, the prototype survived and is preserved in Citroën's museum, showcasing the brand's engineering brilliance. In addition to the original, a meticulous replica was built by French mechanic Frédéric Donat using original blueprints. This copy replicates every detail of the original, from its lowered body to its 300 kilometers per hour speedometer, ensuring the legacy of this incredible machine endures for enthusiasts and history alike.